Hello and welcome to 10 on Tuesday with your friends here at Interlace Communications. We are 16 days away from Black Friday. How are you doing with your shopping, Casey?
I am almost halfway done.
Wow. Wow. That is really cool. Have I started? No,
Well,
no,
you usually don't until
no,
Black Friday.
no, no. So, what we're going to talk about today is the different type of people and what you should have gotten done already and what maybe you have left to do that you can do within the next couple of days before Black Friday and Small Business Saturday and Cyber Monday. So we're going to scoot over to check out a uh, sort of a chart that was provided by Google that shows the different types of shoppers there are. So we're going to scoot over and we'll be right back. Okay, so what you're looking at is the timing. Google in 2018 did a survey of shoppers to see what types of shoppers, when they buy, when they shop. And what they found is that there are four different types of shoppers. There is the evergreen that starts early before the holidays, and they shop straight through, even past Christmas and into the new year. So they are sort of getting presents
All the
before
time.
all the time. They're the ones that have that
They're me.
cedar chest
Mm-hmm.
full of gifts.
That's me.
That is Casey. And then there's the early birds that they shop from pre-holiday, Friday, and Cyber Monday. So that's when they gather up everything and they get their lists together and they check it off and they're busy, busy, busy. And those are the ones you're getting ready for. That's me. So I'm going to be in that early bird part. And then there's the deal seekers. They are from Black Friday, Cyber Monday. They're like that one little spot. I guess I'm an early bird and a deal seeker.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So they are in that real small window of opportunity to prepare for them. And then there's the last minute final push, December 21st to the 25th, and even post holiday. They might be the ones that got a Christmas party happening after Christmas and they go shopping on December 26th for something that's happening after that or that type of thing. So that's the type of shoppers that there are, and you should be preparing for all of them. By now, you should have taken care of all your print advertising. You should have scheduled it, taken care of the artwork, um, gotten everything in. That should be off your list, checked off, done. What you can still schedule and work on is social media posts. And if possible, if you're doing any type of special times during shopping that people are going to come in and say, Black Friday, one of the cool things we did, we had a Boyd's Bear Shop, and our Black Friday event, we knew we couldn't compete with the big shops, so we did this really cool thing. We went shopping when everybody went early morning, but then we had what was called pays to be late. And that was really cool. We had a series of times that started at 10 o'clock at night and went to midnight on Black Friday, and we had really successful Black Fridays because of that. You also want to take advantage of sending out to your warm market in your email marketing. Take advantage of that. And also, you still can do Google advertising or paid advertising as well. We had a lot of different handouts for you. And this week, our handout that we have available for you to pick up is the last minute ideas. So we want to jump over and show you what the last minute idea, especially feature one of the last minute ideas that we have for you to take advantage as well. What you see here is our last minute idea workbook. It's very hands-on. It has drawing boards in it, calendars, and suggestions for you to use for different types of last minute projects you can do. One is about how to create a mystery bundle. Another is preparing for daily specials. One is featuring 12 Days of Christmas. So you might start December 12th, go to the 24th with the 12 Days of Christmas. A really cool one is called Facebook Photo Games, one that, as I was working on this and getting into what normally might be normal ideas, this one popped into my head. So I want to show that a little bit deeper with you before we leave you today. And donating to a cause is always a great way in which to support a cause, but also help people have a sense of giving and a sense of urgency as well. And then there is a section called Create Urgency, which uses keywords, words that you can use to create urgency. So it's very helpful in writing the subjects, your posts and subject lines that you may need for email. And here we are looking at our last minute ideas PDF. This is the page on the Facebook photo game. It's where you're going to create a game. And what's going to happen is people are going to come into your store or shop. They're going to check in when they come into the store, so people see that on Facebook. And they're going to take a photo of their favorite product that you have in the store, and they're going to put that on Facebook. From there, you're going to pull a name from those people who have checked in and draw a winner, which will be announced on Facebook and Instagram. So we hope you take advantage of the information that we provided for you today on 10 on Tuesday, and hope that your holiday sales are successful with all the ideas that we have provided you throughout this Getting Ready for the Holidays series. Thank you for listening.